Thank you, thank you. So I'm actually really excited about this attachment. It's gonna help us compact our soil when we're pouring our concrete pads for our pole barns. And it's one of the, it's a smaller one, it's only a 60-inch compactor, but it's a vibrating compactor, it's heavy, and it'll go on the 97 or the 75 very well, the Kubotas. And I'm excited to have that. That's gonna be one of those things we just can throw on the trailer and give our client a higher quality concrete pad. You know, it's all in the prep process when building these buildings. And when you got the equipment, you got the equipment. So we got this nice land plane here, got this nice power rake here. This one's 60-inch, that looks like a 72-inch. And then we're still missing like 6 attachments, so hopefully we have enough room on this trailer, honestly. Some of them are a little smaller, so I think we'll be able to make up some room. And I think we got this thing for like, I wanna say like 900 bucks or something. It was like next to nothing, so couldn't beat it. So I'm gonna start strapping some things down that I know aren't gonna move. So that's a Stout 84-inch grappler. I'm really excited about that one. Had to pay like $1,800 for that one, but it's gonna be worth it, man. We got some nice land clearing jobs coming up that we can really use that grappler for. So I'm excited about that attachment. So I forgot all my straps, if you guys couldn't tell, but it doesn't matter anyway because I like to keep my straps in each trailer. So the quality of this one is definitely not as high as I was expecting it to be or hoping it would be. Traditionally, auger bits for skid steers are a lot thicker steel than this. That steel is not that thick. I could pick that up way too easy for an 18-inch auger bit. Pull forward.
Yeah, just pull the truck up a little bit.
Okay.
If I go like this, it's fine.
Okay. We got this Gehe hydraulic breaker for the excavator. Really excited about that one. That's one of the bigger items on the list that we got knocked out. And we'll put the price on the screen because I have to use my phone to record right now. But we got the brush cutter. We got the land plane. All this is hydraulic. We got the 60-inch Gehe, I think is what it's called, pad foot compactor. We got another auger bit. We already got one auger bit set, but this is a spare. Mini skid steer breaker, which not that happy about because I don't have a mini skid steer, but we got it for super cheap and we're gonna sell it. I think for like 600, 700 bucks. Again, same thing here. We don't need it for a mini skid steer. Same thing here. This is for one of those tiny excavators. We don't need it, so we're gonna sell it. This is one of those graders. Pretty cheap for what it is. I know it's bad quality as far as the build goes, but hey, if we can get a couple uses out of it, it's hydraulic, we can hopefully make some roads out of it. 84-inch dozer blade, excited about this, and a Gehe rock grappler, 72 inches on this one. Very excited about this one. We needed a rock grappler for the company. So yeah, we are gonna get loaded up now. We got 2 straps on everything. Shout out to Richie Brothers Auctions in Noonan, Georgia. These guys have been fantastic. Just 10 out of 10. Awesome. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we hit it big at the Richie Bros auction in Noonan, Georgia. We got a lot of good deals. I'd say other than 2 items, we got at least 50% off everything on this trailer. Super excited about the 84-inch Scout grappler. Super excited about the Trail Max trailer. I've been towing it for about 30 minutes so far. We pulled over to get some fuel at the Love Station. We're about to get some Mexican food across the street. So if I had to put it in category, Super excited about the Scout grappler, super excited about the trailer. So that's probably top two. Third, I'm probably most excited about is the dozer blade, the 84-inch hydraulic dozer blade. It'll angle, so that'll be huge on the 97 Kubota. And check out some videos, or stay tuned for some videos on the grader. This is actually not a good grader, just to be honest with you. But the other graders that are out there on the market are tens of thousands of dollars. So we're gonna see what it can do and really just kind of review that thing. We got it for like a stupid deal. The compactor is in the top 5 for sure on things I'm most excited about. This Bush Hog 72-inch Mower King Bush Hog, excited about that. The hydraulic land plane is cool. The breaker, I have a project set up for this breaker that I need it for, so that is huge. You can make a lot of money using these breakers on some demo jobs. So got the grappler, got the breaker, gonna need both those for that job. Back here, we got an additional auger bit just to have a backup. That's really not the highest quality auger bit, but it's good for a backup. It'll dig a hole. And then the rock grappler on the back of the trailer is huge. We've got a job that I'm gonna use that for on the schedule as well. So thank you all so much for checking out this video. If this is your first time on the channel, be sure and subscribe down below, because we are gonna have a lot more videos at the auctions. We're gonna be traveling to different auctions and scoping out some deals to bring to the channel and to the company. Be looking out for some equipment bought at the next auction. We're gonna try to flip some equipment. We're also gonna try to buy a dozer. We need a dozer for the company. So hopefully we can score one at the next auction. Thank you all for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.